Aeon, meaning. Aeon refers to an indefinite, long period of time, often lasting for an age or a cycle of existence. It is typically used to describe vast, timeless durations beyond human comprehension. Definition: Aeon is a noun that signifies an extremely long period, usually referring to millions or billions of years. In some contexts, it is also used to describe a significant era or age in the history of the universe or Earth. Examples in sentences. 1. The scientists studied the changes that took place over aeons in the geological record. Here, aeons refers to the long periods of time, often millions of years, in which geological changes occurred. 2. It feels like aeons have passed since I last saw my childhood friend. In this sentence, aeons is used metaphorically to express a very long period of time, though not literally. Usage: Aeon is used in scientific or philosophical discussions to describe time on a grand scale. It can also be used more casually to express a very long duration in both literal and metaphorical senses.
English practice.